International gold prices could resume their upward trajectory during the second half of 2026, but only if a strong catalyst emerges, according to the World Gold Council or WGC in its mid-year outlook report 2026. Responding to whether gold can continue its rally, the WGC said the answer is yes, provided there is a clear trigger. If current market conditions remain unchanged, gold is expected to trade within ±5% of $4,100 per ounce during the July-December period. What could drive gold higher? According to the WGC, gold prices could move higher if any of the following factors come into play: worsening economic or geopolitical conditions, a reversal in interest rate expectations, greater participation from long-term investors. The report projects gold could climb to around $4,500 per ounce, while a strong and sustained signal would be required for prices to reach $5,000 per ounce. The WGC also expects continued support from long-term investors such as sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, endowments, and other institutional asset owners who have been steadily increasing their exposure to gold. What could weigh on gold prices? The report highlights several factors that may limit gains or push prices lower: a stronger US dollar and higher than expected interest rates, improved investor appetite for risk assets, technical market factors. The WGC noted that after gold's exceptional performance in 2025, many investors have booked profits or rebalanced their portfolios, while increased market volatility has also affected exposure to the precious metal. Historically, gold drawdowns have stabilized around 30% from previous peaks. WGC data from January 1, 1971 to June 26, 2026 shows 29 instances of declines of 5% or more with an average drawdown of 16%. 11 instances of declines of 10% or more, averaging 30%. 8 instances of declines of 20% or more, averaging 36%. The report added that even if gold falls 10 to 15% from current levels, further downside is likely to remain limited as lower prices have historically attracted fresh buying. Strong US and global economic growth, however, could shift investor preference towards equities over gold.